To install the fuel tank, begin by inserting it into the hull from the rear. Install a fuel fill hose vent line into the tank while pulling the tank forward. Tighten the clamp on the fuel fill hose. Make sure the tank is completely forward. Attach all of the retaining straps around the tank. To install the fuel pump, install the fuel pump module seal into the tank. Insert the fuel pump into the tank. Install a fuel pump retaining nut onto the fuel pump module while holding the pump in place. To ensure proper fuel gauge operation, align the arrow on the fuel pump module with the index mark on the fuel tank. Tighten the retaining nut with the fuel pump module socket. Reinstall the fuel pump pressure line. Reinstall the fuel tank vent line. Reattach the electrical connector. Finally, install the front ventilation air box.